My name is Sidaoui. I am the Vice President for Academic Affairs and the Dean of the School of Business. I have spent 25 years in higher education. I'm the co-founder of the AI and Analytics major at Menlo College. We take pride in working closely with our faculty to bring the best to our community and our students. The AI and Analytics program blends technical expertise with strategic business insight. Students will gain hands-on experience in machine learning and predictive modeling, data visualization and storytelling. We also use cloud-based architect using SQL and NoSQL. Ethics is important in AI and Analytics. And finally, a capstone project that strategic AI applications in business are applied. This groundbreaking program prepares students to lead in a world where data, artificial intelligence, and responsible analytics are at the core of decision-making across every industry. We are not only preparing data-savvy graduates, we are shaping ethical leaders into future business innovators. The future is intelligent, and the future starts at Menlo College.